59 Days of Code is all about spreading the technology industry throughout the San Joaquin Valley. The workshops that we've done out on the west side have been sponsored by Chevron. Our focus is largely on teaching kids robotics and code.
There's two things I want to do because of this class: make music and make robots.
A lot of the kids out there, their parents are migrant farm workers, and a lot of them feel like their future may be doing what their parents do. Chevron provides funds for us to be able to purchase robots and activities for kids to do hands-on learning.
To be a part of a program that's giving children the opportunity to develop passions and interests about technology and STEM, I think that it's incredible.
I want to do something related to this, like coding and programming.
I know that these programs are going to change the Valley and kids' lives because technology is the future and these kids are the future.
#Fresno Progress.